Hello guys, FENIX has sent me this very nice headlamp. This is the HM55R and it came in this excellent color. Look at this. Amazingly nice. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. You can get it in different color as you can see here. But quick unboxing before we test it. If I do it like this. This headlamp came with a very nice, very stretchy forehead band, if you can call it that. Not any rubberizing inside, just this nice color all over. Adjustable, of course, to size your head. The lamp itself has 2 light sources plus 1 red LED. To start it, you just press and hold. Oh, sorry. To start it, you need to remove the battery cap first. And then you will see this removable tab. The battery is 1600 milliamps. I don't know the size of it. It says 18350. Hopefully this is possible to see for you. And it's almost the same size as the dry batteries, which are called CR123A. It's a little size difference, but I have tested it. It seems to be working. Mine is empty, so yeah. But still, inside here you have this golden point to make to the plus pole, which also is golden on the battery. On the cap, if I manage to catch it, it has also this nice golden feather spring. And of course the usual O-ring to keep this one watertight. This is rated IP67. Or was it 68? Okay, I will have to check that. Then, when you have put the battery inside, then you start with the fun. I'll just show you this as well. On the back side there is a USB-C. So you can charge it. Also waterproof lid. Then you can start it. Press and hold it for 1 second and you get this one. Also get the green light inside here. Every time you press it, it will change to a higher settings. 4 settings. 1, 2, 3, and 4. No, only 3, sorry. 1, 2, 3. To change to another one, you keep pressing it for 1.2 seconds. There we have it. And the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 settings. Okay, let's test the other one more time. Press and hold and it will change. 1, 2, 3. Yes, only 3 settings on that one. This is the floodlight and this is the spotlight and this is the floodlight. Oh, sorry. You can see there are different reflectors inside there. In the little, in the middle here, there's a tiny one, which if you press twice, 1, 2, you get the red LED, and every time you press it, it will blink, and it will be solid. Blink, and solid. To get it out, just press and hold, and there we are back on. Start it again, press and hold, and you get this one. Press and hold 1.2 seconds, and it goes to this one. And it seems like it has a last memory. Let us see if you put that one on the lowest. Press and hold, go to that one, press and hold. Yes, it remembered the last setting. Could be good to know. That's really all about the light. It has some, yeah, you can read it here hopefully. This light also has some kind of lumen sensor. So if you're closing on an object, it will dim the light down, and when you move away, it will power on like it was before. Dim down, full power, dim down. Works amazingly well. Works on floodlight, spotlight, on all modes of them. The lumen sensor is on the top here, this little black dot. That is the one that senses if it's too strong light or not. Very nice color. I really like this one. And it fits like a glove on the forehead here, of course. Easy to use. Let's see if we have some gloves. No, I don't, but press and hold and you get it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And press and hold and it goes to the other one. Amazingly nice. Press and hold, shut off, double tap, red. Single tap, single tap. Hold, off. Very easy to use, very easy. We can test it in the dark room to see how the spot or the beams are looking. So yeah, let's do that. Before we test in the light, we need to see what's in the box, of course. That is also important. You get a cable inside here, USB-C to USB-A, standard. Is there some nice logo on it? No logo on it. No, either one of them. No. Okay. And then you can lift out this foam. And in the bottom of the box, you will find, as usual, the excellent FENIX manuals in all kinds of languages, of course. It says a lot about it, how to use and how long every mode is working on the battery. Of course, you get a spare O-ring for the waterproofness of the battery lid. And you get one of these. This is some kind of advertising, maybe. I don't think it has something to do with the light. Yeah, it's a brochure that shows you some other lights from FENIX. And then you get the standard warranty card in English and in Chinese. Yeah. Not that excited. Exciting, I think it's the correct word, not excited. Then, let's test it in the dark room. All right, I am in the dark room and I'm going to double tap and we get the red light. Looks amazing for me, and I think the camera is adjusted correctly. It looks like you have the same picture as I see on the wall. And one single tap and it will blink. Yes, maybe it's better if I go here. Single tap again and you're back on. And off. Press and hold and you get this one. Then it's better for me to go here again. This is the wide beam. Step 1. Very dim light, very nice to have in the tent. Ooh. Very wide beam, you can see the whole wall. And yeah, the camera is a little over adjusted maybe, but it's still very strong light. And back on the low beam. Here we have it, the spotlight. You can see it's just a circle. Step 2. Step 3. And step 4. Amazingly bright. Amazingly bright. And back to step 1. Press and hold it for 1.2 seconds and we are back on the floodlight, which I know is a little dim, but you can see the whole wall is lighting up now. It's not a spot. If I press it that and test it back on this one, you can see it clearly, spotlight. And go back on this one. Sorry, that was not wrong, something like this. And there we go, floodlight. You can clearly see it flooding the whole wall. And back on the spot. Fantastic. Okay, that is the short introduction, short unboxing of this excellent HM55R from FENIX. It says something about the nebula. I think maybe that is the color. I will have to check that out. Yes, of course it says a black nebula and you have the last dark purple, the 3 colors. Also some instructions on the box and some QR codes to the Facebook site, was it? WeChat, Facebook, yeah. Very nice gift box, fixed by, I think it's a magnet. It snaps in place. Maybe you can hear it. I'm not sure. Is the sound working? Yes, it is. Snapping sound. Yeah. Let's test the charging capacity on this one. Let's see how that works. USB-C inside, and then no indication here. Ah, here we have it. Here you have an indication. 3.6 watts, which is not fast charging, but decent normal charging. Yeah. And if you can use the light, let's see. Yes, you can. See there and hold. Go there. Yeah. Everything is working normally, even when charging. So, to check the charging, you press this one, and it will be solid green if it's okay, and it will blink green and blink red and light red if it's bad. Here we are on the FENIX homepage. You can change the color of your headlight here. Purple, and the one I got, Nebula. You can see some lumens output, how many modes, battery type. Yeah. Also say a lot of specifications there. Very interesting reading. Here you have the chart, how many minutes, how many lumens, also so and so, candela even. Here's something interesting. You can check this, press this button, and you get a lot of more information, which could be good to know. Yeah, you can use it with different batteries, like the one I tested, the CR123A. Cannot be charged, of course, but apart from that, it's very handy to get one in the shop if you need. You have some accessories, yeah, batteries, bag, more bags. YouTube clip, some feedbacks. You see most of the feedbacks are 5 stars. I will have to say the same. I will give it also a 5-star. And here you have the battery and some other headlamps and the bag. That's it. Okay. That's all for me and this one. Look at this, huh? Nice. Very wide. So it's not digging into your head. Very comfortable to wear. Okay guys, hope you like it. And I hope to see you again in the next one. Goodbye.